Today we've got another interesting find over at Carolina Auto Direct. I have a 2017 Corvette Z06 2LZ. This thing has over 1,000 horsepower. Let's take a look. Let's be honest, guys, on a Corvette, most of you already know what makes a Corvette a Corvette. This one has over 1,000 horsepower. I know what you really want to see is under this hood. Let's take a look at it first. Getting under the hood here, guys, I'm not going to pretend to be the expert on everything that's done underneath this hood, but what I can tell you is there's over 50 grand worth of upgrades on this engine done by Vengeance Racing. We can look at the Procharger up front here, bring it back to the branded valve head covers. You have a huge cold air intake over there. I can't even begin to name everything that's been done to this Corvette. Even though I might not be able to tell you everything that is underneath this hood, what I can do is I can list it out right here for you. You can also check it out on our website and see everything that's been done to this awesome Corvette, but we'll show you guys the rest of the car as well. Going back to the outside of this Corvette, you've got all kinds of carbon fiber, which is a really nice accent on this Z06, with your air intake here on the hood as well. Up there on the top of the vehicle, we bring it back to the front. You have it on the front splitter here, on down the sides of the car. There's some really nice accents on this Z06. On these wheels, guys, we've got Motorsport Forge Line rims. You've got some nice carbon ceramic brakes on the front and rear. This thing has a ton. You can literally see the paper in my hand here. I can't even begin to tell you the amount of modifications on this Corvette, but it is your dream track car, I promise. Inside this Z06, you have your RPM roll bar, 4-point mild steel roll bar that is color matched to the vehicle. It's gonna be a nice upgrade for this track Corvette. In here, you've also got some upgraded racing harnesses, which are going to be definitely needed for this vehicle that has 1,000 horsepower when you're taking it down the track. On the inside of this Z06, it does feel like your everyday Z06 with your heated cooled seats. You have your heads-up display, traditional steering wheel, and this is a 6-speed manual as well. I know what you guys really care about on this Corvette is hearing it, so let's go ahead and start it up. Now that you guys have had a chance to listen to it start up, take it down the road a few times, let's just listen to it. As you guys can tell, this is a mean, and I mean mean, Corvette. We're gonna put this thing back on the road here and it goes crazy. It's scary actually. I can't begin to tell you how awesome that is. As always guys, you can see with the smile on my face, this is an awesome car. Be sure to look at the other cool cars we have on our website or on our YouTube channel, Carolina Auto Direct. I'm Tristan, your salesman. Give us a call at 704-240-3701. Thanks guys.